Hey Paniacs, let's talk about sanding sponges. Say goodbye to over-sanded flat surfaces on your model kits with these quick tips. Tip 1. Pick wisely. For curves, sanding sponges are perfect, but for flats, go easy to avoid over-sanding. Tip 2. Handle with care. On flat surfaces, use a light touch. Gentle pressure ensures a smooth finish without distortion. Tip 3. Precision method. Invest in a sponge holder for flat surface perfection. It keeps things even for a pro-quality finish. Now, the part is smooth and clean finish. Back to you next week with sanding sponge holder tips.